Hi, Joe Cerrone.
And Alan Rosen.
Welcome to CAD 118, Advanced AutoCAD, in our weekly Zoom classroom meeting. Alrighty, so as we look at our main splash page, we've extended the Module 4 due date to Sunday at 11:59, giving you a little bit more time if you need to get that work done. Module 5 and Module 6 are released, and so you're welcome to work ahead on those. We'll assign a due date for Module 6 as we get closer to that. And then we've put in the splash page the video instructions for the video tutorials. And so as we take a look at how we're going through and creating all these different techniques with AutoCAD, mesh modeling is Module 4, and it's an interesting concept. They also have this in Fusion, and you do get some really interesting looking models. And so if we tie that into our textbook in our modules, we can go to Module 4. We have the following assignments to create these different mesh objects. And meshes are essentially surface modeling. And so we can create these different labs. We'll put them on B-size title blocks. We do like to keep some consistency and some vocational skills in there. So having drawings without title blocks kind of eliminates the structure and organization that you'll find in the industry. And so people are very specific about when the drawings were created, who created them, and there's the ability then to see when the drawings were created and who created them and make sure that they're working on the latest version. So we do have that as part of the grading, requirements to be able to fill out the title block, set the viewpoint scale, and set the objects within there from a vocational standpoint. And so the practice files are located right here. Students can download those and to then create the objects. We've created tutorials to go through how to create those different objects, tying them to the textbook, showing these different mesh modeling techniques. Or we can use sub-object editing commands to manipulate the geometry and create the assignments. And like I say, put them on a title block, keep everything standardized so that we also have our vocational aspects or our job skills. Alrighty, so that's Module 4, that's due on Sunday. And then if we look at Module 5, Module 5 was released, I believe, prior to spring break, and we have these drawing assignments where we're going to create solids and surfaces, and we'll use these solids commands like extrude, loft, revolve, and sweep to create like this architectural path, this vase, this ice pick, and then this project file with this piping system. The practice files are located right here. You can download those. And then the teacher videos are located right here. And I think we'll make the this piping one bonus. And so we will require these first 3. And then as a bonus exercise, we'll put the project. So we'll update the splash page so that we don't overwhelm everybody with the assignments.
Sounds great.
And then Module 6 is available for those of you that would like to work ahead. As we work and we look at our learning objectives, we're looking at solids editing and being able to work with what they call sub-object editing, things like being able to add tapers to our extrusions, being able to model in 3D along curved shapes, being able to add and subtract objects from existing things. And there's a lot of different ways to do this, but working with what they call sub-object editing is a way that you don't have to reinvent everything and you can modify some of the existing projects. And so as you look at these exercises, we have the practice examples, and then we have the videos for 6.1 through 6.3. which will make required, and the other ones will make bonus as we start to get things closer toward the course learning objectives. Alrighty, back to the main splash page. So we're continuing to follow the textbook chapter by chapter. Module 4 is due on Sunday, and then Module 5 is due the following Sunday. Al, do you want to talk a little bit about support for the students?
Yes, please. Thank you very much. It's down the next page. Wait, there we go. Okay. Joe and I are available on Wednesdays over in Skokie campus from 9 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. in room 131 or in 138 to connecting rooms there. And also on Thursday from 2 o'clock until 6 o'clock in Skokie campus, room P131. We're on Zoom from 8:30 until 10:30. Or if you needed some other time, please let us know. And on Sunday, both of us are there on Sunday at 8:30 until 1 o'clock in P132. That's another joining room there. You can get a hold of us on our D2L emails, both of ours, and let us know what you need to have done or help on something, or you need something printed or whatever the case be. We'll be happy to help you whatever we can.
Yeah, that's right. And so, sometimes you just need to come in and talk to a person in person. And we understand that having an asynchronous doesn't always give you the ability to ask questions. And these times are available for in person and online or virtual. And so you're welcome to come by during those times. Please give us like a heads up, let us know you're coming so that we can be prepared to assist you with your CAD work. All righty, so that's our Zoom meeting for this week. I'm going to post the video in the announcements. I'll stop the recording and we'll open things up for questions.